Hey everybody, it's Corey. Corey's basement. So today I am going to go by, I'm going to do end of the year video because I got some projects I got to do to my printer, so I might as well just do it now. And so the end of 2018 of some cool prints that I've done, and then I'm going to kind of go over a couple quick things of what I'm going to do for 2019. That's what it's going to be, I guess. Pretty crazy already. So this year I started mid-year-ish of doing videos on YouTube. But I'm going to go over some of the cool prints that I've liked, that I've printed. So we're going to go right to it. So first of all, is this guy right here, this 3D printed pliers. I couldn't think of it for a minute. I've put this on YouTube, and I have almost 300 views on this already. This was a really good print, and I mean, as you can tell, it's printed in one part. I will try to put the link of the video in the description of this one, so if you can, go check it out if you haven't seen it. And then I will put the link of the description of where I got this from online. So if you have a printer, you can go ahead and print it. Really cool. There's some play in it, so you really can't use it that much, but you know what? It's pretty cool of what our FDM printers can do. I mean, it's really cool. So the next one is the hairy lion that I did with the kids. This one isn't the one I did with my boys. This is one of the ones that was already on there. A little hard to see it. Yeah. This is the glow in the dark one. Let's see if I can make this glow real quick. It didn't work. It's too bright in here still. So that was another cool one. I'll put the description down, and down in the description, the link to this down in the description. Yeah, it was just really cool and fun to do. The kids liked it. So yeah. The next thing was this 50 millimeter German mortar, I think it what it was. Printed in 3 pieces. Took almost 2 days to print. There's the nozzle piece, or the nose piece. So that was, like I said, I think it was 2 days it printed. I really like this. This was really cool, and how it turned out. I'm really pleased. I mean, there's a few defects, but you know, there's nothing big, nothing big to really worry about. So that was really cool. The next thing was I printed this almost last year. I think I printed this. This is a Death Star. It actually holds one of my Raspberry Pis like this inside of here, and I can actually use it to my printer. Yeah, it opens up. There's where the Pi would go, right in here. So yeah, I thought this was cool too. So I do like Star Wars, and there's another one that I have that's Star Wars that you're gonna see. So, like I said, I'll put all the links in the description for all these things I'm gonna bring up. So let's put this back away. While we're in the Star Wars mood, we'll go with this one, the Millennium Falcon. Really good detail. I mean, this was cool. So I mean, that's the prints that I like, and I want to make this one bigger. And I mean bigger as of, I don't know, a couple feet, a foot maybe. I don't know. That would be cool. We'll see how big I can actually print it. So the next thing was this little vase or vase, whatever country you want to look at it. Country you're from, how you say it, I mean. This was printed with my PETG filament. Talking about this vase, I want to try to do a series next year. Hopefully fairly soon in the first year of cool vases that I found and I want to print. And I want to print them all in PETG because this one held water. And also talking about this one, I designed this in Fusion 360 with a couple of tutorial helps. One of them was Maker Muse. He has some great tutorials if you want to get into CAD drawings and stuff. He has some really great ones, and that's what he used for this one. So yeah, go check him out too if you like his stuff. Well, you should like his stuff. He's got some good stuff there. So the next thing I have are these two things right here. I haven't really got to use them that much, so I don't know how true this actually is. It's a measuring cup. Well, actually, it's a measuring cube. And they have, what is this one? This one's a half a cup. And you got some smaller ones down here. This is not recommended for any type of liquids or anything. It's just mainly dry goods because these are not washable. They're not anything. They only take up a little space. And then here's the other one. This big one here is 1 cup. If you can see it, there it is. So these were really cool. I printed these about a year and a half ago. Really cool. They're definitely not dishwasher safe. They will melt. And like I said, don't put any liquids in here, especially, just don't do it. It's not good for it. So let's set that aside. The next cool thing is this pop can holder. I'm thirsty anyways. This one is been printed out of PLA, but it's a temperature changing one. So it's a darker blue. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but it is, I don't know. But it's a dark blue when it's cold. It's kind of easier to see there. And then when it's warmed up, it goes white. So I like this. Because sometimes I'm a little lazy to hold on to the can. I'll admit to that. I mean, it holds on to it great. I got 2 more useful things that I think, if you have a printer, is what you need to have. What you should have. This little box right here. It has drawers, and you can put your little nuts and bolts in there. There's other ones to this. I mean, it's a really cool design. I give props to the guy who designed this and let us use it or get it and print it. So I mean, it's a really cool desk saver. Yeah. So then the next one, or it's going to be 2, but I'm going to do it at once, is, turn around, these 2 right here, battery holders. You can never have enough of these.
Sorry, I couldn't find battery holders in your music.
My phone decided to play on me. Thought I said Surrey. I don't know why. But these battery holders are really great, so you can find where they are. Pretty easy, and I haven't printed. You can stack these up and almost make it as tall as you want to have as many batteries in here. So there's double, there's triples. I think there is some other ones too. So yeah, I haven't really need anything higher than just those. Another useful one that I have is right over there on, well, as you can tell, a new desk. It's mounted to the back of my desk, so I can't take it off, but I will take a picture of it and put it up, hopefully right here. It's a holder to hold all my screws, Allen wrenches, I mean, you name it. I can put in there. It's a little holder for everything. So that is it for the stuff that I've done this past year and a little bit further past. Some cool stuff that I thought was really great, or I think is really nice. So now let's get into what 2019 is going to look towards for me. Yeah, I'm going to post up some more videos of just some little things here and there. But there is a couple projects, like I said earlier, the vase projects. That's one that I really want to do, with a whole bunch of other cool vases that I found online. Just have a whole montage of it and show them off. I'm gonna try other colors. I got some other materials actually. I just got some PLA. I'm not supposed to know about it because it's Christmas presents, but I bought it. So there's 2 more filaments that I just got from Matter Hackers. Right? Yeah, Matter Hackers. Couldn't think about it. So we'll see how that goes. And then the next one, well, I got 2 more. I want to do the RC car, all 3D printed except for the motors, the servo, and the battery, of course. A 3D printed RC car. I think it's a 10th scale. I want to get it all printed up on my printer and put it all together and kind of do some stuff. I know there is a guy that has a really big one. He upscaled it by 150%, if not something like that. I mean, it's huge. His name is his YouTube name is 3D Printing Nerd. I will try to get a link down for his videos so you can take a look. It's really cool, really big. Jeez, I got the hiccups now out of nowhere. Jeez. And then the next one is, what is it? Oh, it's a rockets, basically. I want to do that more towards the summer when it's a little bit nicer out and the kids will be out there and we'll go out and launch it. It'll be hopefully cool, and hopefully I get a couple more video cameras. Right now I just use my laptop and my phone for any of these video recordings that I do. I'm hoping to get some new things, but I don't think it's going to happen. But hey, stuff happens. Who knows? And Christmas is around the corner. So this is the end of it. So this is what I did for 2018 and what's coming up in 2019 for me. So you know what? Have a good one, everyone. Oh, and by the way, please, you may not like this video, but you know what? Please like it, share my other videos, and help me get some more followers, please. That'd be great. All right. Well, have a good one, everyone. Bye.